friends, welcome back to Mina's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share another recipe with you guys. It's called Nargis Kebob. First I'm gonna show you the ingredient. I have 2 pound lean ground beef here, and the seasoning I'm using for that 1 tablespoon of dry garlic powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. And this is the egg. One of the egg I'm going to use for my lean ground beef, and the other egg I'm going to boil it. And this is, I use half a cup of all-purpose flour and 3 onion. I'm going to shred it, and a little bit coriander. I'm going to shred the onion now. I put the coriander in the chopper. I have to chop it up a little bit and not like a paste. I'm going to boil the egg first. I'm going to add the onion, 1 egg, and the seasoning, flour, coriander, I have about 4 cups of oil here. I'm gonna let it to heat up. I boil the eggs and peel them, and now I have to cover it with the meat. Now I'm going to coat the egg with the flour. All the egg I'm gonna coat it with the flour because it helps the meat to stick on it. I'm going to wet my hands with a bit of water because it helps the meat is not stuck in your hand. So take a big chunk of meat and then flat it down, and then you have to put the egg the inside and cover it from all around. I'm gonna make it like an oval shape, but you can do it like a ball too. When you heat up the oil in a high setting, then before you put the kebab, you have to turn the setting on a medium and fry it for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to put the kebab in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. This is how I made my Nargis Kebob. I hope you enjoyed the video and like it. Once again, if you have any comment or question, write it down below. Don't forget to like my video, follow me on Instagram, and see you till next video.
Bye.
Bye. First, I'm going to show you the ingredient first. Did you?